to my channel. Letter B and its sounds. Letter B and its sound. Three sounds of letter B we can discuss here. Children, you can also say with me the sounds of B. Wow, what is this? Small b and capital B. Small b, capital B. What is this? Okay, tell me. Small b. Wow, great. Small b and capital B. B for ball. Wow, this is ball. Wow, round, like a circle. Ball is like a circle. Ball. B for ball. B for ball. B for banana. B for banana. B for banana. Wow. We can eat banana. Oh, so yummy. Wow. B for bat. B for bat. Clapping. B for bat. Okay, green color. I show you the green color. This is a red, yellow, and green. Red, yellow, green.